Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 11 by 14 picture frame set of 3 available on the market. The Kennethan Rotten Brown 11 by 14 picture frame set. Whether you're looking to showcase your cherished photos, art prints, or meaningful memories, this frame set offers a blend of style, quality, and versatility that will elevate any space. Right off the bat, these frames stand out with their rich rotten brown finish, which brings a warm, rustic charm to your walls. The frames are made from engineered wood covered with a smooth plastic finish, combining durability with an attractive appearance. Unlike some frames that might feel flimsy, these have a solid feel and weight, ensuring your pictures are displayed securely. Each frame in this set is designed to hold an 11 by 14 inch picture without a mat, allowing your photos or artwork to be showcased in full size. The absence of a mat means you get a clean, modern look, perfect for contemporary or rustic interiors. If you want to display smaller photos, the frame can also accommodate 8 by 10 pictures with a mat, but this set specifically highlights the no mat feature to maximize your display area. Practicality was clearly a priority in the design. These frames feature built-in metal tabs at the back, making it easy to insert and swap out pictures. Whether you want to change your display seasonally or update it with new memories, the process is hassle-free. The frames can only be hung on the wall, but they offer both horizontal and vertical mounting options, giving you flexibility to fit your space and style. The protective glass cover safeguards your pictures from dust and damage, while the engineered wood frame paired with medium-density fiberboard backing keeps everything sturdy. Unlike plastic-only frames, these provide a premium feel without a premium price tag, making them accessible for everyday decorating. Size-wise, the frames measure approximately 15.5 inches in length and just under 2 inches in width, creating a strong border that enhances the visual impact without overwhelming your pictures. The rectangular shape and rustic brown color make them suitable for various decor styles. Whether you're decorating a cozy living room, a home office, or even a gallery wall. What also makes this set appealing is the packaging. Kennethan uses proprietary packaging that ensures your frames arrive intact and ready to hang, reducing any worries about damage during shipping. In summary, the Kennethan Rotten Brown 11 by 14 picture frame set of 3 is a fantastic option if you want quality, style, and ease of use all in one. Its durable engineered wood construction, flexible hanging options, and clean display make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to preserve and showcase their memories in a tasteful and rustic way. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this frame set or want to explore more, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.